Alright, well, we're on our way back on the road. Derek's having a blast with his sound system there. Got the whips down here. Is that a good snooze, Derek? You enjoying it?
Before or after puke?
Before or after? Before.
No.
After?
No.
Oh, okay, well, we're just fucked all around.
Yep.
Understandable. Jesus fucking Christ.
Alright, Jeremiah, fire up a little bit of a recap from last night.
Okay, so last night we made it to Bodega Bay. We went to the hotel thing and entered the door code, and it was wrong. So I tried a couple variations of it just in case somebody was dyslexic. Wrong as fuck. We'll bleep that. So then I texted the number I was supposed to text, and the lady never got back to us. We waited around for like 45 minutes outside, bullshit. And I really had to poop, so we just bounced and went to the beach. and then I couldn't poop because the bathroom was too scary. So then we decided to sleep in the cars, and I immediately fell asleep, blissfully. And right off the bat, Derek calls me up because he's too cold, even though it was his idea to sleep in the car. And then he sicked his wife on getting a new hotel, and then we got a new hotel.
I just briefly mentioned what we were doing, and she's like,
she made it happen.
She's like, all right, 6 miles up the road, get up there.
10 minutes.
Yeah, he said the guy will have the room ready in 10 minutes, so. But yeah, it was actually really nice. This place is super, super nice. Oh yeah. Alrighty, and now I have beginning stages of food poisoning. Well, we just fueled up right outside of the entrance to the Redwoods, and we're cruising right along now. All fueled up, ready to go, heading to Estacada, Oregon today. Gotta grab our winter tire, grab some winter tires, toss them on, and then head into the shed. And it's about 38 degrees, and I'm already getting cold in my car, so blows cold. Might need a thermostat or heater cores full of horse shit and Arizona leaves. Well, we just stopped in Eureka for some grub. Now we're heading like 100 miles north towards Oregon, and we'll grab some fuel and then keep going onward to Estacada, whatever the fuck it's called. Alrighty, so we just rolled past the Oregon sign. We were in the bottom part of Oregon, and I think we got 5 hours left till Estacada. Probably that. I don't know what the name is. I keep forgetting.
Estacada. E-S-T-A-C-A-D-A. Estacada.
But we just hit the toge up there. Primo. Besides the bitch and the Forester. If you're watching this, all day. Alright, we're getting about 100 miles out from... Let me do some fucking research before I grab the camera. Hold on. Alrighty, we're about 3 hours outside of Estacada. And I'm getting cold. This car is cold.
Alright, so last night we made it to Estacada, Oregon, and stayed with my good friends Matt and Laura there. And we managed to find some winter tires for Derek's car. Because Alex was the only one smart enough to actually buy tires beforehand. So we got a solid bit of sleep there, and now we're on our way up to Olympia, Washington, where I found some tires, and then we're gonna swap tires over, and we have to get a thermostat for Derek's car because he thinks that it does not have a thermostat in it. And so yeah, we'll do that in some Napa parking lot somewhere. Hopefully it's quick. And then we're gonna be crossing into Canada at, I don't know, like 2 p.m. or something today, and we're trying to make it all the way up to Prince George by the end of the day, so it's going to be a long one.
My duct tape job is holding up pretty good. It does a banger job keeping the air out, but the water, nah, not so much. Most of it's evaporated, but I had about Lake Michigan sitting on the door panel there. But I have this nice rain culvert that it falls down into instead of my arm, so that works good. And if the electronics get wet, that's fine, because that don't work either. So the front's starting to leak, so my culvert isn't working. So I think the thing I'm going to do next is make a duct tape straw, and I'll just drink my way out of it. Alright, it's 1 p.m. on day 3. We're heading up to the Vancouver port, or Abbotsford I think it was called. We're going to head through and see if we can get to Prince George today. It looks like there was a little bit of snow in Prince George on like the camera, the town cam in Prince George, so we're going to try to go as far as we can on the tires we have and then swap to the winter tires. Alright, made it into Canada, and I might say barely. The lady was like, "Is this car roadworthy?" I'm like, "Yeah, I drove it here from California, or from Arizona, and it was completely fine." She's like, "I don't know, it has holes in the top and stuff." I'm like, yeah, it does. It's fucking fine. It's good. In other words, we are headed up to Prince George right now. Now that we just got through the border. Hold on. But we are gonna see if we can make it all the way up there today. It's pretty far, and seems to be like there's a little bit of snow up there. So I guess we'll see. We'll go as far as we can and then put the tires on, but should be all right. Can you believe they want 165 bucks a gallon? That's crazy.
All right, we're somewhere in Canada, swapping out for the winter tires now, just in case we get some snow in the wherever the heck we're going.
What's that?
Just doing an update. Yep.
Probably tracked my wheels with 4x1
The only the thing that we forgot to do though was air up all of our spare tires. So Derek only has 2.
Oh no, these are the good ones. The flat ones are in there.
Yeah. So he's just putting rears on.
Why am I doing that? Get out of it!
I didn't even notice. Then of course this guy was the only one with brains. Then I bought some monster truck tires. So hopefully those fit. Yeah. All right, we got all the winter. Well, we got most of the winter tires on. We still got to do his fronts. But I had to raise the IS an inch in the rear and maxed out the front to fit these truck tires. So we should be mobbing here soon.
All right. Well, all 4 winter tires are on now. We stopped at a gas station, filled the other 2 up. They were flat. Hell yeah. Packed up tight. I got my vision hole for changing into the right lane. Update. I can't see shit at all. I just noticed, I hope I don't run into any shit.
Don't look at that.
Okay. Jesus Christ. God blessed thee. This fog is not it. I just wanted to build up on my windshield enough to get like 7 droplets of water and clean the fucking thing. I went to go fill my washer reservoir, and there isn't one. So I'm like, oh, I'll just hook something up to the motor. There isn't one. So, Jesus Christ. Pretty much in this case, I've been getting my ass ran by a 1979 Peterbilt with no brakes for the past 6 hours. So we're just going by Braille now. The Ray Charles thing, the Ray Charles quote on the door is really coming to light here. My fucking windshield's got an astigmatism, or whatever that bullshit calls with the vertical light rays like this. You know what I mean? God bless it thee. Oh Canada, oh Canada. Pulling into Prince George, up to our hotel. It's, I think it's chilly out. My hands are getting cold, so that means the cars inside isn't very warm. No, it's probably like 15 or 20 degrees Fahrenheit outside. That's one of these guys with their fancy gauges. The wise guy's the fucking temperature finger. Stick out my window that isn't warm now.